In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get refund on Dhgate. By the end, you'll know exactly where to click, what to select, and how to move your request along quickly, whether your order hasn't shipped, is stuck in transit, or arrived with a problem. Start by opening the Dhgate app or website and signing in. Head to My Orders and open the order you want help with. Tap or click order details and check the current status, paid, shipped, or delivered. Your refund path depends on what you see here. If the order has not shipped yet, this is usually the easiest route. Open the order, choose Request Refund or Cancel Order, and select the most accurate reason, like changed mind, seller hasn't shipped, or payment issue. Submit the request and keep an eye on your messages. If the seller accepts, the refund is processed automatically without extra steps. If the item has shipped but you haven't received it, open the order and select Open Dispute. Choose Item Not Received, add any supporting proof if prompted, such as a tracking screenshot showing no movement, and submit. Dhgate will hold the seller's payment until the case is resolved, which helps protect you during the review. If you receive the item but there's a problem, go back to My Orders and open a dispute from the order. Pick the reason that matches your situation, like defective item, not as described, or wrong item. Upload clear photos, and if possible, a short video that shows the issue in one continuous clip. Then choose the outcome you want: a full refund, a partial refund if you're willing to keep the item, or return and refund if you're prepared to send it back. The clearer your evidence, the smoother this step goes. It can help to message the seller directly through Dhgate chat. Be polite and specific about what you want resolved. Many cases wrap up faster this way. A quick reminder: never cancel a dispute until the refund has actually hit your account. If the seller ignores you or rejects a reasonable request, go back to the dispute and escalate it to Dhgate. They'll review both sides and your evidence, and they typically make a decision within 3 to 7 days. When approved, your refund goes back to your original payment method, such as your credit or debit card or PayPal. Processing times vary. PayPal usually takes about 3 to 5 business days, while cards can take 5 to 15 business days depending on your bank. You can monitor updates, inside order details, and your dispute messages.